How to use Instacart promo codes. First of all, launch the official website of the Instacart using your favorite browser or open the mobile application. Once you have opened this, all you have to do is tap on these three horizontal lines, then scroll downwards until you find this credit promos and gift card option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will find this add option. Go ahead and tap on it, then tap on this box. Then proceed to type in your promo code. Once you have written that numeric code, go ahead and tap on this add funds and the promo code will be automatically applied to your account. Now, if you are on mobile device and you are using the Instacart application, not the web browser, what you can do is simply open your application, tap on the account menu. From there, all you have to do is head towards the credit option. From there, add promo code, then click the redeem. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.